I'm gonna call that next dive. What the hell are you doing? Thank you. That lane's ending, stupid. You're nice little. Yeah, market basket. Mash. Where are you going? Hello, 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 hello. Really? Next dive. Anybody gonna make an illegal U-turn here because you usually do? Yeah. We got a red light runner. Don't run it! Don't run it! Don't run it! Don't run it! You're in it! Don't go to. One. Cute. Two dickheads use the sidewalk. Hey! Cameroid. Asshole. Toyotard. Strike 3, you're out. Run it. Asshole. Chip jerk. And stay from the turn lane. What are you doing? Are you going straight from the turn lane, Mr. Jeep Jerk? Straight from the turn lane, Jeep Jerk, asshole. Are your high beams on? Are your fucking high beams on? Your fucking high beams are on. Shut them off. Yes, look after you pull out. Stop! It was highly irresponsible of you, Mr. Big Trucker Dude. I guess he likes Bernie, huh? Wait a minute, do you go right or red? Hold on. Do you take a no turn on red back there? Hold on, I wasn't paying attention. Stop tailgating! Damn fusion drivers! Some type. What the? Don't. Why are you stopping, dude? You could have made that. You know, and not gone past the stop line. Don't run the red, don't run the red. You totally blew the red. Toyota. No. You gotta stop, lady. You gotta stop. might want to get a light on your bike, dude. And put down the goddamn phone. Did you stop? Fish! Tough guy, truck up your butt, fish.